Hi, this is Luann from Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, and I have a very special guest, my videographer and my sound producer and the guy from WrestlerMania, Jamie.
Hi.
Today we're going to unbox the Ladybug Tekno 2350 Steam Vapor Cleaner.
Okay, so let's get this thing started. All right, what do we got here?
We got some safety scissors, because I don't trust you with anything sharp. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Here we go.
What do we have?
Well, first on top we have, it's supposed to be 12, but I'm not going to take time to count them, the terry cloth towels. And that's included.
Okay.
And then the most boring part for you, the directions, which we will be reading.
Yeah.
And there's a DVD in there that we will be viewing before we put it together.
I'll be very careful with this.
Okay. Oops. Oh no, those are, this I bought extra. This is an extra accessory. They're pads, and I assumed that they would wear out after a while, so I got an extra set, but it also came with 2 sets, or I bought 2 sets and they came with 1 set. I forget.
Okay, so these would be pads that go on the bottom of like a wand or something?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
And we'll soon find the wand.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm going to have to stand up for this.
That's okay. I get it.
You got it? Hey, there's a cleaning fluid.
Oh, there's a cleaning fluid with it.
I don't.
Oh,
it looks like you put water to it. It's just a powder.
Oh, okay. I gotcha.
Yeah, I'm not exactly sure about that. That didn't make sense.
Directions on the back. Well, that makes it a little easier to get out.
No, I thought so.
Okay.
I'm not just another pretty face, you know.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and unzip this thing. Ooh, nice.
Now watch out, there's supposed to be some other, unless they're in the bottom, and I didn't see them.
I think there's stuff right here.
Okay.
Okay, this thing, oh, it does look like a ladybug. Go ahead and unwrap this. All right, so this is the vapor cleaner itself, the Ladybug. Go ahead and turn this around.
The cord's heavy.
Gotcha. So, here we go. Ladybug by Tekno.
That's the name.
That's the name.
It's Ladybug's the company, and the model is a Tekno 2350.
Gotcha. Tekno 2350. All right, so obviously the cord is attached, so it's not a separate cord. That comes attached. That's great. Set this off to the side for a second.
I didn't realize it had a carrying case. Oh, here we go.
Ah.
Oh, I don't think I did that one as
Oh.
I didn't know it went the whole way.
There we go. So you open that up. Oh, here's all the accessories.
Yeah, the doohickeys.
Thingamabobbers.
This.
Okay, so this is the, looks like this plugs into the side. This will be the wand itself. Little trigger on it. Looks like a little on-off switch. Oh,
there's
1,
the
2, 3.
extenders.
Those are the extenders. Okay, so the extenders go on here. We'll read the directions before we use it, I'm sure. I'm positive.
Yeah, you will.
Okay. Gotcha. Oh, I see. It's like a locking in mechanism. Okay. Kind of locks it in there. Cool. Okay.
Without breaking.
Yes. Nice.
This is the nozzle that goes on the...
And this is the nozzle.
This is a cleaning implement.
I'm sorry. It's a guy thing.
That is the nozzle that the water comes out of.
Oh, okay.
And I read it has a dead man switch so that if your finger comes off of it, you can't lock it in place.
Gotcha.
If your finger comes off the trigger.
Oh, the trigger. Okay.
That you are not shooting steam and can accidentally burn yourself. It automatically stops.
That's a very nice feature.
Yeah, especially for you.
It's true. Yeah. Very accident prone.
Then their funnel to fill up the reservoirs.
What do you say?
Yeah. Look, there's nothing in there. There's some casters.
Oh, some casters to put on the bottom there?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
And then here is one of the heads that you can use for floors.
All right.
And that's what
the long one
that
goes in there. Goes into here.
Yeah, the pad goes in there somehow, but
Gotcha.
we'll figure that out.
Okay.
Oh, and there's supposed to be clips on the back because there's special ways that you can. Oops, that's not going back closed. Oh, there we go.
Because it's,
I see.
It has a safety latch on it. Okay, cool.
But you fold the towels over top of them.
Ah.
You can clean it that way too, but a lot of times they fold the towels over and then you get the dirt on the towel.
Gotcha. That makes perfect sense. These little clips.
And here's a little doohickey mabobby that looks like it came off of something.
Ooh. We'll figure that out later.
Okay. And here's a put it together wrench.
Little.
That's what it looks like.
It's not quite an Allen wrench. It's probably a special made wrench for this thing.
And this is to clean windows or showers.
Like
our
gotcha.
disgusting shower door that
Nice.
I can never get the way I'd like it.
Gotcha. Okay.
And then here is a smaller brush head that you can use for countertops and
Okay.
they say auto places get them to detail cars, and that's one of the things that they'll use. And then these are 2 brush heads that you can use to do sinks. That somehow goes on the nozzle, I think.
I see. Yes. Goes on the end here.
And then you can actually get these. This is just nylon, and with the steam, it says, even though this is very stiff nylon,
yes,
it's supposed to soften up. But you can get them in brass, and I think it's another metal, maybe stainless steel, that you can clean grills and
yeah, okay,
like
it's
oil
like a water
spills or something. And this doohickey, if it's what I think it is, was originally designed so that you could lift wallpaper.
Kind of like a stripper thing. Okay.
But you could use that inside the oven.
To scrape all the stuff.
You
and
steam it and then it scrapes off.
It has a couple of nozzle ends on it. It's kind of neat. Okay. Nice.
And that's it. That's all she wrote.
Okay. We're gonna put this all together, read the directions, and test this thing out.
Okay. All right, this is the very first time we are going to try the Ladybug Tekno 2350. We just finished watching the DVD, and it recommended that we take the towels and we launder them first. So we did that, and now it's time to hopefully get this thing working. So first, we're going to fill the water reservoir. So we're going to open the latch. And it's showed in the video that this little filter can come out and you can use the funnel that is with it. But since I'm using a measuring cup with a spout, theoretically, I shouldn't need a funnel. So it said it took 2 quarts of water, and that's what I have in this measuring cup. Oops, a little too fast there. It has a boiler and a reservoir, so it's a continuous fill. You don't have to stop and cool the machine down before filling it again. So we're going to close that. And I think it's going to be easier if I unwind the cord before I attach the hose. And we just flip that down, and the big button should go up, and it steps right in. And then to release, we're just supposed to press the button and pull. At least that part works. So let's put that back in. And now the extensions, because we're going to start on the floor first. They called them bayonet attachments, or I'm not sure, joints maybe. They're supposed to just click in, and I guess that's done. And then you can just slide them out. That works. Okay, we'll attach that to the hose. And there we go. And the first one I'm going to want is this nozzle. And we'll just slide that in till it clicks. And where did I put the little brush? We're going to work on the grout on the floor first, and they recommend using this little brush to get in the grout. Okay, we're going to plug it in, and it says it takes about 6 minutes to heat up the water. And here's the on button. And it's running. Okay, now that the blue light has come on, we can burp the system. From what I understand, that just means we're getting rid of the extra air in the system and some of the condensation that will build up in the hose. So we'll just press the button. And there's the little water. And there's the steam. That's what we're looking for. There are 3 power settings. 1 is low, 2 is medium, and 3 is high. For the grout we're going to be doing today in the ceramic tile floor, it recommends using setting number 2. So that's what we'll be doing. Okay, let's see how it works. Oops, I put the lock on. Let me find the lock button. Oh, there it is. Okay, try again. Now that's a lot better than what it was. I think I'll keep working on it. It's going to take a while, but I think we can get the grout clean as the day it was laid. The DVD tells you specifically, leave the steam, do all the hard work. All you're going to do is lightly go back and forth and back and forth, and just leave that steam do what it's supposed to do, and eventually the dirt will come up. To use the brush on the floor, first you need to put in the filler pad, which just lays in like so. And then you need to cover it with a towel. They show you how to put the towel on by watching the DVD. Let's see. It's supposed to be up 2/3 this way, I believe. And then we're going to put this here. Click these in the open position. If I remember correctly, we're going to go that way and then close them. And then bring this part back here. And the same on this side. So I think that'll do it. Now we'll attach it and we'll go over the ceramic tile. Okay, now we're going to try the Ladybug to clean our upholstery. We put the triangle head on with a filler pad and then wrapped it with a towel. So here it goes. Get it steaming. And the one thing I've learned through using the Ladybug is a slow motion is usually a little bit better. So slow's the way to go. Of course, when using upholstery, you want to test it out on a spot that's inconspicuous, just to make sure that the material can withstand the heat. And I've already done that. And anything you clean with the steam, you want to make sure that all the debris is off first. So I have already vacuumed the sofa. We're just trying to get the pet stains and smells out of the cushion.
That's okay. Just pretend like you're introducing yourself to your kids, but instead of saying Mrs. Russell, you say Luann.
Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to deviate from our topic. I guess that's a little too much, huh?
No, that's fine.
Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking. Today we're going to be...
What she said.
Am I talking too fast?
Nope.
Hi, I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Oh, I have to introduce you too.
Yes. It's okay. The 7th time's the charm.
Thank you for joining me and Jamie in the unboxing of the Ladybug Tekno 2350 Steam Cleaner.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit her bell while you're at it.
Please.
Thank you for coming.